everybody, and welcome back to another new video. And this one I'm so excited for. As you can see by the name of the video, this is my unboxing, and this is probably the my daughter's singing outside. This is probably the Loungefly that I'm most excited to unbox. I have already opened the box. As you can see, she's sitting there on top. Got the paper out. This is a bag that I stayed up until 2 a.m. to buy. 2 a.m. my time to buy. It was normal time in the US, about 9 a.m. I think. And I stayed up to buy it because I knew I had to have it, and I knew that it wasn't going to be stocked anywhere in Australia, and if I wanted to buy it later from a reseller, it was going to be like a bit more expensive. So I just bit the bullet. I bought it, got a freight forwarder. It's here. And without further ado, here she is. Wow. Okay, so yes, she's still wrapped in plastic. Let's open her. And I will continue to refer to her as her, because to me the bags are sentient beings, as I'm sure they are for a lot of collectors. So here she comes, all being so gentle. I hate doing that. Almost want to keep it forever in the plastic, but wouldn't it be as fun to look at? And then there's the cardboard there. Wow. Okay, so I think the thing I'm going to start with, first of all, is wow, look at the sequins. But the thing that sealed the deal for me, and the reason why I had to have this bag, is because of this beautiful zipper pull. The glass slipper, a little pillow. I love that the colors of this match the bag, because you've got that silver and the blue, or this light blue, and then that's obviously a silver, and on the back it just says copyright Disney. So where to start? Okay, so I think the main event is this beautiful bow. Because of the fabric, there is like slight little creases in there, but that doesn't really bother me because this is going to be something that, you know, I look at and admire. And then you've got the clock, and it's 5 minutes till midnight. The plaque, beautiful, this color blue again with the light blue. Leather beneath it. You've got this darkish blue sequin all around the sides and the bottom of the bag. And then you've got this metallic blue vegan leather with the stitching that's made to look like the dress. And then this light blue, almost silver colored sequin that goes here and on the top of the bag all around. And then they've matched the straps beautifully, those padded straps. Very good quality, comfortable. So it does have this blue, this light blue for the padding, and then beneath it is that darker blue color. So still going with that two-toned, which I love. And of course it's got these pockets on the sides, which are just, you know, usual Loungefly bag pockets on the side. Nothing too spectacular there, but it does have those. And of course the back is not covered in sequins, so that if you wear it, you know, with your hair down, your hair's not going to get caught on sequins, which I really like that. And the back, this darker blue, it says bibbity bobbity boo. Love it. I think this is just such a beautiful bag. And of course this pocket is just standard size for Loungefly bags. And then let's go ahead and open it. Got that silver zip. That is beautiful. Take all this packaging out and let's have a look at the lining of the bag. So I'm going to try and lift it up for you to see. It's got that clock on the lining, silver slipper, and somewhere in there is a castle with vines. Very hard to see unless you're looking at it in person. And then it's just got a slip pocket at the back there. So no zipper pocket on the inside. which seems to be standard these days with Loungefly bags. So that is beautiful. When you have it in the light and it sparkles like that and you turn it around, I think that's why people love sequin bags. On, you know, in photos, doesn't really look like anything spectacular, but in person, I mean, it does look spectacular in photos as well, for me personally. But you know, some people, they need to see it in real life, and that's what I'm here to show you. One thing, if I had to really have a complaint about the bag, is that Cinderella's dress isn't blue. Well, it almost is, but it's like a really light silver blue. So I sort of wish, I don't know, like if you really wanted to be right on the money, it would just be this color here with like, I don't know, like a lighter blue or even a silver around it. But I guess you really want it to stand out as Cinderella. So yeah, that's the bag, and of course the princess tag on it, Loungefly Disney Princess. I'm so excited to wear it. This is definitely going to be a bag that I actually use and wear because I just think it is such a beautiful bag. I know there's ones that people love to collect, and this might be one that people love to collect, but for me, if I'm going to find an occasion to wear this bag, I will. And I might even match my daughter while I'm doing it. And it's going to go right up here somewhere. You know what? At the moment, it will probably go right next to that Aurora bag, but I'm sure I'm going to need to find a place for it somewhere. Anyway, so if you did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. It, you know, helps out a ton. And thank you so much for watching. So yeah, let me know if you love this bag, if you got one yourself in the comments below, or if you're planning on getting one of the other sequin Princess Loungefly collection bags, because the next one to come out is Ariel, and then after that will be Aurora, and there are photos of that so far on the, you know, floating around, and Loungefly posted a video showing it off a couple days ago. So I'm just so excited about those, and I think I'm just going to have to get them all because they are just like beautiful, spectacular. And for adults who can't really wear costumes anymore, who really want to relive their, you know, dream of being a Disney princess, these are just beautiful. Okay. I think I'm going to leave that there, and thank you again so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!